friends, welcome back. Here are the top 5 maths tricks you must know. Trick number 1, calculating percentage. What is 20% of 30? Here there are 0 at the end of both numbers. So what we have to do is just multiply 2 into 3. We have 6. Now 70% of 210, 7 into 21 is 147. So subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get more of such maths tricks. Moving to trick number 2, squares of numbers close to 50. We have 47 square. 47 is 50 minus 3. So 3 square is 09. Now just remember 25 in your mind. Now subtracting 3 from 25, we have 22. Answer is 2209. 48 square. It is 50 minus 2. 2 square is 04, and subtracting 2 from 25, we have 23. Answer becomes 2304. Next, 52 square. 52 is 50 plus 2. 2 square is 04, and adding 2 to 25, we have 27. Answer becomes 2704. Moving to trick number 3, multiplication of numbers with 19. So 19 into 24, we multiply with 20. 24 into 20 is 480. Now subtract 24 from 480. We have 456. Next, 19 into 51, we multiply 51 with 20. We have 1020. Now subtract 51 from 1020. We have 969. Trick number 4, 0 the hero. Multiplying 103 with 106, we have 0 in the middle of each number. What we have to do is multiply the last digits. 6 into 3 is 18. Now cross multiply and add. 1 into 6 is 6 plus 1 into 3 is 3. We have 6 plus 3 as 9. Now multiply the starting digits. We have 1 into 1 as 1. Next, 502 into 306. Multiplying 6 into 2, we have 12. Cross multiply and add. 6 into 5 is 30 plus 2 into 3 is 6. 30 plus 6 is 36. Now multiply 5 into 3, we have 15. Answer is 153612. Trick number 5, last trick, is numbers close to 10. Now multiply 15 into 16. We take the base as 10. We have 10 plus 5 is 15 and 10 plus 6 is 16. Now cross add either 15 plus 6 or 16 plus 5. Both we get as 21. 21 into 10 is 210. Now multiply 5 into 6. We have 30. 210 plus 30. We have 240. Answer becomes 240. Please do like the video and share it to your friends and family. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get more of such interesting tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.